What?
What? Hey, what you doing? Don't throw her.
Hey, I have a small head and don't make fun of me because like that's not cool. And my cousin.
Stop, you dumb faggot!
Stop, you guys!
I'm gonna kick his ass.
I'm trying to eat my chicken nuggets! Stop.
No, don't worry. I'm gonna kick his ass. Don't worry.
My family thinks I'm weird because I have a small head.
Don't I look cute?
You look like a pedophile.
Alright, so like, who wanna marry me on Facebook? Oh shit, I got boobies. I got boobies for once in my life.
And a big head.
Shut the fuck up.
You just smack the shit out of him.
I always do that. It's so
Where you
fun.
going?
Water, be water. The water falls on me. Hey, hey,
Stop, man. I'm trying to drink water and shit.
drink water. Water. And ooh, look at my boobs. They look mad big and shit.
It's fucking cold.
Work hard, play hard.
What the hell? They're just like a big ass.
Pose for the camera.
Shit, man. Honestly, you look fucking creep.
Dog, look how I look, dog. I look so fucking scary.
Nah, you look pretty ugly.
Go, Samantha, go in. Go in the middle, you dumb fuck. Go in the middle.
That's a bad word.
Look in the middle.
Look up.
Turn that side. Turn sideways. Turn sideways and say what's up. Turn sideways and say. Oh my god. Look at me in the side.
Sorry.
Is my head normal?
Oh my god. You look like Jimmy Neutron and shit.
Miss Jimmy Neutron.
Stop it.
Damn, you guys are so fucking annoying.
It's this baby. Yo, you messing up my home.
Koto, do I look pretty?
You look wonderful.
Shut the fuck up. Damn. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches.
Yo, can you stop touching my neck?
Look at my chin.
Go. Go do it. Oh my god, you look weird. Work hard. What you called me?
What you call them? He said bastards.
What did he say?
He said bastards.
Ooh.
I'm gonna hit you with
Oh my
this
god,
bottle.
no, I'm gonna go in the Do you want to kiss me, my lips, my cute lips.
Bye.
Yo, shout out to the fact that I'm the only one nigga doing it.
You're making it bad.